Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to represent the topic of scalar triple product, and in my previous video I have explained with detail about the multiplication of two vectors. Scalar triple product and the multiplication of two vectors, and if you have any problem in these topics which I have explained, you have to ask me in the comment box and then I will answer it. The dot product of a vector with the cross product of other two vectors is called scalar triple product. Now I am going toward the definition, that is the dot product of a vector with the cross product of other two vectors is a scalar triple product. So it is represented by the A dot B cross C, that is that I have written, that A dot B cross C is the mathematical form of the dot product of a vector with the cross product of other two vectors. For example, if I take the three vectors A, B and C, then I will just take A as a dot product with the cross product of B cross C, and just multiply both of these terms A and B cross C, and I will get the mathematical form, that is A dot B cross C. You can see in the screen. Now what will happen, I will just write the component form of A, B and C in the next step. Why we needed this component? Because I want to prove this one. A dot B cross C is equal to B into C cross A and C into A cross B. These three terms should be equal to each other, and I have to prove it. So firstly, what I will take, I will take A dot B cross C, and in this term I will take B cross C only. You can see, if I take B cross C, then how to write it in the determinant form is like that: ijk bx by bz cx cy cz. Now I will just multiply. How to open the determinant, you know, you all student will be known about it. That is, I will be common and by will be multiply cz, and cy will be multiplied by bz with a minus sign. Next, minus j into bx will be multiplied with the cz, and bz will be multiplied with the cx, plus k cap bx will be multiplied with the cy, minus by will be multiplied with the cx. Now what will I do? As this indicated term is written here, because I have no place to write it clearly, so I just point the arrow here, and I will just multiply axi plus ayj plus azk to prove A dot B cross C, and in the determinant form then I will write it: A into B cross C is equal to ax ay az, bx by bz, and cx cy cz. That is this one. We can write it. Now you have to understand it, that what we can write. If I take this term ax ay az and bx by bz, I just replace the places of ax ay az and bx by bz, then the negative sign will be right there. It's okay. If I replace, I am repeating that, if I replace ax ay az and bx by bz, then I will have the minus sign outside the determinant. And if I replace then c and position of components of cx cy cz and ax ay az, then the negative sign will be again here. And if I take if I explained you that minus into minus, they will be multiplied with each other and it will be plus, so I doesn't write about the plus. It's okay, I just write the plus here, and then replace the cx and cy and cz with the ax ay az. So you will just see that B, C and A component are written in the multiplication form, that is B dot C cross A is equal to A dot B cross C. The half part of the proof is now solved, and the other half part is remaining. So I will just take the other half part of this proof. So similarly we consider again A dot B cross C. If I take A dot B cross C, then what will I do? I just replace the places of B and C here. What I will do, the places of B and C will be replaced here now firstly, and in the next term what I will do, in the next term I just replace the other two terms C and A. What I will do, I just replace the other two terms C and A. By replacing C and A, the minus sign will be removed and the positive sign will be there, and hence I will prove A dot B cross C is equal to B dot C cross A, and which is equal to C into A cross B. How can I write C into A cross B and B into C cross A? It is just depending on the component that C is at the first, then I will write C. A is at the second, A is at the second, then I will write dot of A multiply with the B, B is at the third, and A will be multiplied with the B, and C will be the dot product of A cross B. Then hence this is called the scalar triple product of the three vectors, and we have just prove about the A dot B cross C. If the examiner give this question in the paper, then he will write that what is a scalar triple product, show that, and at the last he will write this term, that is A dot B cross C, B dot C cross A is equal to C dot A cross B. So this is an easy proof, and it shows, this proof shows that the scalar triple product is unchanged by performing cyclic permutation of a vectors. Because I will just do the cyclic permutation. You know what is permutation? The repeated things, the cycle which repeat itself, then it will give the same answer as I require. So this is the permutation, basically cyclic permutation. So by you take scalar triple product which remain unchanged by performing the cyclic permutation of the vectors. So this was my video on the scalar triple product, and if you have any query you can comment, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, thank you.